Months after the longest criminal trial in Georgia history wrapped up, Fulton County prosecutors want to move forward with the trial for the 4 remaining YSL defendants. Today, 2 of those defendants appeared in court. Fox 5's Tyler Fingert is live at the Fulton County Courthouse with the latest. Tyler.
Yeah, Christine, good afternoon to you. Those hearings for 2 of the 4 remaining YSL defendants today were supposed to be procedural until one of them took a plea deal.
They've been told that you are not to possess any weapons.
Just a matter of weeks before Tenarius Mener was set to stand trial as a part of the YSL gang and RICO trial, he took a plea deal to end the case.
Mr. Mener, is this guilty plea freely and voluntarily given with full knowledge of the charges against you?
Yes. In court Monday, Mener pled guilty to having a weapon in the Rice Street jail and having a cell phone while in custody. He also entered an Alford plea to a gang charge. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Paige Reese Whitaker sentenced him to 10 years with time served. He'll also spend at least 5 years on probation.
I find that plea to be freely, voluntarily, intelligently and knowingly entered with an understanding of the consequences, and I'll accept it as such.
Earlier in the day, convicted felon Christian Epinger also appeared before Judge Reese Whitaker. He faces a number of charges, including attempted murder for allegedly shooting Atlanta police officer David Rogers 6 times in February 2022.
On the ground! On the ground! On the ground!
This is body camera video from that incident. It was played in court back in October during the last YSL trial when Epinger wasn't part of the case. Monday's hearing in front of Judge Reese Whitaker was initially about an immunity motion. Court documents show Epinger's attorney argued that he shouldn't be prosecuted, claiming self-defense. The motion was withdrawn shortly before the hearing started. Instead, the judge asked Epinger if he planned to take a deal offered to him that would have given him life in prison. He declined. If convicted, the judge told him he faces up to 2 life sentences, plus roughly 100 years.
And the 3 remaining co-defendants are expected to go to trial as early as next month. There's another court hearing on Friday where all 3 will be in court. We're live outside the Fulton County Courthouse this afternoon. Tyler Fingert, Fox 5 News.